Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, the number one place for people who love design, arts and all things creative. I'm Jacqueline and I'm an interior architect and designer here at D&B, and in today's video I'm going to be going on a scavenger hunt to Ikea to find all their newest products and decor. I haven't been to Ikea in a couple of years, so it will be interesting to see what things they have on display and how they've adapted to more people working from home and the current design trends too. This video is not sponsored by Ikea in any way, although I wish it was. And I'll be showing you things that I think look like designer dupes or just things that I think will make your home look expensive and stylish. So if you're interested in seeing everything new at Ikea in 2022, let's jump in. So for the first part of the video, I'm going to be highlighting all the new furniture I found. The first thing I saw when I walked in was the Linbin mirror, which costs £40. It's really simple, and like I said in my bathroom trends video, I think we'll be seeing a lot more curved mirrors, so definitely this is on trend. I also really liked it because it has shelving at the back behind the mirror where you could use it for storage, but I think the idea of hanging plants there as an extra feature is even better. The next item is the Vihal's cabinet, which could act as storage for your entryway, clothes storage in your bedroom, or even just extra storage in the living room. It's perfect to keep things tucked away neatly, but you also have the option to display things in the side shelving and also light up the area nicely. Okay, moving on, I saw this kitchen extractor, the Omnate hood, and I really thought that it was a wow piece of this kitchen. I mean, being honest, kitchen hoods aren't usually fascinating, completely get if you feel the same way, but with this one I just thought that it was really sleek, and I like the fact that it was multifunctional, as you can use it as a spice rack and hang utensils from it. It retails at £749, which in my opinion is pretty pricey, but honestly I think that it's because it's so big. It's just under a metre in length, so it could be a good option to hang over a large kitchen island. Moving on to sofas, the first is the Linanas sofa collection, which comes in beige or black and in a 3-seat configuration or a smaller 2-seat like this one. It has a very classic Scandinavian design, and I think that this would be the perfect sofa if you have a small living space to work with, and it's on the cheaper side too, which is always a big plus. Another sofa I saw was the Langjarid collection, which comes in 2 or 3 seats and also as a corner sofa. Personally, I really love this sofa. It's both modern and also nods to mid-century modern design. Now, you probably can't tell on the camera, but it also had a nice raised texture, almost verging on boucle. We did try out the sofa. Lazo and I both agreed that it wasn't the most comfortable as the back was quite low, but if you like a low back feature to rest your arms on, then it could be a really good choice. Let's take a look at coffee tables. This is the Lister B collection, which aren't new. Previously they've been available in oak, but now they've also come out with a dark brown set. I think we'll be seeing a lot of dark toned furniture because of the Japandi trend, and overall they're just really high quality and refined. Next up we have this new, really innovating piece, the Starkwind side table. This is also very cleverly an air purifier. I'm not sure if you guys can see it here very well as the camera hates the dark, but I'll insert photos of it here. And initially we thought this was a drawer, but it's actually the switch to choose your preferred settings. It's not often that we see technology combined so well with furniture, but I thought that this design was pretty seamless. The last table I want to mention is the Klimpfjall dining table. It seats 6 to 8 people and really it has a classic style, nothing new here. But I quite like the table legs below. They are very sturdy and I thought that it would be a table that could work in many different environments, industrial, bohemian, farmhouse and many others. So a great universal table that would work in any interior. Let's move on to cabinets. As you guys probably already know, Ikea have the Besta range, which has hundreds of different configurations. This is the Besta Bjorka-Viken combination. I really think that this is similar to something from West Elm or Maison du Monde, and I think that it's very on trend. We could be seeing this item a lot more in people's homes. These are the Boriham handles, which I think just elevate the design even more and give the piece more of a contemporary edge. Another sideboard that caught my eye was the new Iashnas cabinet, which I think is both elegant and simple. It could fit really well in a lot of different interior styles. I like that it's minimal and that the birch material has a brightening effect, and small details like how the round handles match the round legs. Moving on to chairs, this is a new armchair called the Clubfosch, and it's also available in a sofa as well, in case you want a larger version. Again, this effortless design leads toward a quintessential mid-century modern look, and it even has button cushions. In terms of dining, this is the new Stein chair I spotted. Ikea have had the transparent version for a long time, but recently they brought out this smoky grey tint. This to me is very similar to Philippe Starck's Louis Ghost chair, which is an iconic design product, so it's a great way to get the same kind of look but for less. Now, I'm not sure if this is new to the showroom, but I spotted this beautiful display that I thought I'd show you guys. This is the Tufjord bed, and it comes in this greyish blue, and it also comes in emerald green. I love the cocooning element that the curves create, and the colour I think is quite calming. What do you guys think? The last bit of furniture I wanted to show you was the Inheat shelving system. This was all over the shop in bedrooms, kitchens and bathrooms. This industrially looking shelving comes in all kinds of sizes, which means that the price does vary. And I love that you could really customize this product with things like this swivel shelf, and I also saw an extra shelf insert. Exposed shelving is making a comeback, so this could be the perfect item if you are trying to recreate that look. Okay, now that I've covered furniture, let's talk about lighting. I saw this new light, which is the Décor lamp, and I just thought it was so cool. It literally looks like a mushroom. It retails at just £29, and funnily enough, I pinned this photo to my Pinterest board ages ago for home inspiration, but this one is actually almost £900. So to me, there's no comparison really. A great minimal piece to light up your home. This is the Molnart bulb with the Tvar hand fixture. It's very simple design, but the bulb is the star of the show here. It has a spiral shaped filament, and through the glass it could create a cozy atmosphere in your home. I spotted these two seagrass lamps, which are the Tora Red pendant lights. They're perfect for those of you who are going for a beachy bohemian look, or if you want to give your home more of a natural aesthetic. Another table lamp I liked was the Tunvis light. I'm not sure if the camera picked it up very well, but it has this gorgeous navy colour, and I thought that it would work in lots of different interiors. Maybe if you're going for a transitional look, nautical theme, or even farmhouse. I think that it's an elegant base and lampshade combination. This one is the Kungshult and Molnart combo, and I was instantly drawn to it by the oddly shaped bulb. It kind of reminds me of honey because of the golden tint of the glass. And the pleated lampshade complements the bulb to give an overall dramatic light. Going back to products that combine technology, I saw the new Symfonisk lampshade, which is actually also a Wi-Fi speaker. It has 180-degree sound, and it's supplied by a Sonos speaker, which I really like as the speaker part is quite discreet, which could be an item you might want if you're not into those large, gaudy speakers. And the last light I wanted to mention is the Alfstar lampshade. I'm not sure if this is new, I'm pretty sure it's not, but I thought I'd give it a mention as I really haven't seen this light used in many interiors. But it's a brilliant metallic lampshade that looks chic to me. From far away, it actually looks like it's made from glass. It's actually made from PET plastic, but the chrome effect gives it an expensive appearance. And last but certainly not least, I have to talk about the cool home decor items I found. First up is the Dai Dai plant pot and the Faker plant. This brass pot comes in two different sizes and could be used as a small plant pot, or you could use it for makeup storage or just anything really. I like metallic decor as it automatically adds some warmth to an interior. The plant is in fact artificial, so it will stay just like this all year round, just to make your lives hassle-free. Now, Ikea have this Moroccan collection going on at the moment too. with this hembuden rug, a ceramic collection and lots of other decor too, which has all been released in the run-up to Ramadan. All this collection is really intricately designed and I find it quite refreshing because I would say Ikea's home decor department is not the biggest and there's not too much variety, so they should do more collections like this. Another rug I saw was the Virklund, which is so new I couldn't even find it on the website. It's fairly thin and has a simple stripe pattern on it. When I saw this I immediately thought farmhouse interior, but honestly it's such a sophisticated rug that would work in other spaces too. They also brought out the Constable range, which is my favourite because there are so many different colours. However, for some reason there was only this colour available on the shop floor, but these are the different options you can choose from online. The last vase I want to mention is the Vindstilla. I think this may be a candle holder actually, but anyways, I love the beige tones, and these kinds of sandy neutrals are going to be huge this year. In the kitchen decor aisle, I spotted these Gladelig plates and bowls, and I really thought that they looked more expensive than they are. Particularly, I like the new ocean blue colour that the collection has come out with, as they just have a very rustic, homemade feel to them. Also for kitchen storage, these are the Eclaterra jars, which you could use for storing dry ingredients like sugar or flour, or even bathroom storage like cotton buds. They have a really simple, elegant exterior, which is why I thought to include them on my list. Speaking of storage, the Malgrode box is new, and I picked it because it kind of reminds me of those bamboo steamers. I just thought that it was a quirky storage box that would be eye-catching wherever you decide to put it. The Jacobs Ear bedspread is a very simple blanket that has a decorative grey stitching. I have to admit, this was extremely soft, and I thought because of that and the pattern it would be perfect for a baby nursery. Now, it wouldn't be Ikea if I didn't buy some candles, right? And this Ringlad candle set is the newest addition to the scented candle range. I think these would be perfect for a living room or even a bathroom. I really love the green tint of the glass, which when lit would give some richness to an interior. Also, the smell is so pungent. All of the scents reflect garden herbs, which may sound gross, but I would actually say they give off a refreshing smell overall. I also recorded so much other stuff, but I tried to curate the video so that I just showed you the best IKEA products and decor on display right now. If you guys want more advice, I have a whole playlist with interior design and home decor tips, so I'll leave it linked down below in the description. If you're new to our channel, then I just want to say welcome. On the channel we talk about interior design, home decor and all that cool creative stuff in between, so if any of that interests you, make sure to subscribe to see videos just like this. Leave me some kind of Ikea emoji down below to let me know that you enjoyed the video or learnt something new, and if you liked it then please give it a big thumbs up, because by doing that you actually really help our channel to reach even more people. I hope that you enjoyed my IKEA Shop With Me 2022 video. Let me know what some of your favourite IKEA finds are. Thank you for watching this video and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!